If you want to know the 4 different areas of income, then this video will help you understand each section in more detail. The Cashflow Quadrant is a concept from Robert Kiyosaki's book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It divides people into 4 categories based on their sources of income: E, employee; S, self-employed; B, business owner; and I, investor. The idea is that people in the E and S categories have linear income. They work for money. While those in the B and I categories have passive income, money works for them. Kiyosaki argues that the ultimate goal should be to move from the E and S quadrants to the B and I quadrants in order to achieve financial freedom. The E quadrant represents employees, which are people who work for someone else and receive a salary or wages. They have a fixed income and limited earning potential. They often have a high level of job security, but little control over their financial future. Kiyosaki views this as the least desirable quadrant because it puts people at the mercy of their employer and does not provide the opportunity for financial freedom. The S quadrant represents self-employed people who are entrepreneurs or independent contractors. They have more control over their income than employees, but they still have a linear income and are trading time for money. They are often referred to as the solopreneurs, and they are responsible for everything in their business. They have the freedom to work on what they want, but they are also responsible for everything in their business. The B quadrant represents business owners, which are individuals who own and operate a business. They have a significant level of control over their income and have the potential for a high level of financial success. They have the ability to create jobs and income for others, but also have a lot of responsibilities and risks. The I quadrant represents investors who use their money to make money. They have the potential for the highest level of financial success and the least amount of work. They have a passive income and do not need to be actively involved in the day-to-day operations of their investments. They can use leverage to multiply their wealth and have the potential to create financial freedom. Kiyosaki argues that the ultimate goal should be to move from the E and S quadrants to the B and I quadrants in order to achieve financial freedom. He believes that this can be achieved by acquiring the right knowledge, skills, and mindset to transition from linear income to passive income. It is important to note that this quadrant is not a one-time decision. It's a journey, and one should be flexible to move across the quadrant as per their need and comfort. Click here to watch our summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad.